So lunch has been done here at Love's restaurant. So we will go now to the main alley. There's a restaurant here, kind of breakfast place, but I'm not sure if they're open. It's really sad. It's a nice walk, it's sunny. Oops. It is such a shame that I don't have my GoPro today. You see. Of all the days that I left my GoPro, it's just really today, which is very important. This is Yvonne's apartment. I think I tried to ask a room there before, but there was no vacancy. Here, Le Café Francois, French cafe. They're not open, but it's nice to have breakfast here. I think they serve, this crap, nice breakfast set. Oh, I like this plant. It's called the Wave of Love. So here we go on a rough road. This is a very small road, and it's not fully cemented. So there are times here when it's really raining and it becomes super muddy. Unbelievable. I can't imagine like this is happening right now, because this is the first time after so many years of being here that it is as like a ghost town, like almost nobody. Lots of divers walking here, snorkelers, kids bringing their floaters. This is a vacant property. It always, makes me wondering what makes this property next to the water. Unfortunately, you cannot see the water because of the angle of the light, but there's nobody there. Bougainvilleas everywhere. But what I am also wondering right now, okay, what was I supposed to say? Where are the dogs? There are also a lot of stray dogs here. But I have to stop every possible occasion that there is nice flowers. This is still a hibiscus flower. There's so many types of hibiscus. This one. Tropical plants. Yellow tops. This one here, they have a nice plant here. I think it's juniper. Can't be sure. Don't quote me on that. Access to the beach if you want to go there. Maybe I will also blog that. Like if you are staying in an accommodation where there's no beachfront access. Look at this. I had a nice picture with my friend Elena in this area. Very nice, healthy greens. So we're walking towards the other side of the road. This used to be very full. The Abby's restaurant. There's a lot of expats here. I think this is kind of their meeting place. This has a kind of... So how about this? About this tropical theme? Do you think this is a good deal? Walang katapat. Second floor. So here we are on Covadis. So Covadis, if you are an expat watching this for many years in Moalboal, this is called Visayan Divers, I think before in the 90s. So this is Covadis now. They also have the rooms on the other side. There's also a lot of activities here, usually on typical day, but right now, almost nobody. I did my DSD here. DSD means discover scuba. So that's just for the weaklings. And look at this. They have their plumeria, but something is wrong with this plumeria. But it is a red plumeria with a nice hibiscus as a hedge. Yeah, it is 12 noon. It's so hot, but it's such a nice stroll still. I would still consider this a nice stroll. We just had lunch and we had the energy. Hello. I think they are open. There are stuff right here. This is the reception. Marcosa's cottage is on the other side. Here, there are also a lot of resorts here on this side. This is the Abyss. That was the restaurant, quite far from their main resort. But this is also one of the biggest dive shops here. And oh, look at this! Looks familiar. If you have been a subscriber of mine, you know that I have uploaded quite a number of videos about this. This is blue ternate. You can make this as a tea or make your rice blue. Oh, it has even also some pods here. I don't understand why a lot of people are selling this very expensive, like 150 pesos. It does not justify that for $3. Lots of hibiscus. So we are approaching towards the other side. Usually, this convenience store is where everybody buys their stuff because, you see, this water cost me 60 pesos or more than $1, but here it's just like half the price. Blue sky, white clouds. These are, I think, private houses. Okay, need to be very, very careful not to step on the puddle. Now this road is already towards Pasitas. This is called, oh, there's a lot of Wave of Love plants. So if you're a plant lover, this is called Wave of Love. Rapis palm. This is a Laurenti kind of snake plant. This is easy plant. This is Pescador View Beach Resort and Restaurant. Me and my friends also had really fun time. Uh-oh, somebody misses the ride. We have a nice memory with my friends here in this resort. A lot of private houses right here. This is One Eye Jack. Well, used to be, but I don't know what happens to this place. One Eye Jack is a bar here, very popular like 4 or 5 years ago. It was owned by this military guy, Wayne. So Wayne died already many years back. And there was a big issue here. I will not talk about that. But if you're in Moalboal, you would probably know what happened here. So this is Maya's native restaurant. But they serve Mexican food here. This is so fun place before. There's band here in the second floor during nighttime. There's even a swing. I'm gonna pull out a picture. This is, I believe, a private area. Also, Mayas love their plants. Before, I've seen a tray of seedlings. There's construction going. This is where I'm staying. I like this wood style nature vibe. This is the restaurant. So this is also the main entrance towards the beach. And this is it. That's towards the other side. We will explore that maybe on part 2. So we will go towards this resort where we are checked in. Welcome to Tipolo Resort. Nice. Nice. Look at the scenery. It's like a little oasis. Very nice. Johan, you did a great job here, man. Can you hear the beach? I know there's somebody doing construction, but can you hear the beach? Yes, the water is coming in. This phone does not give justice, but this is such a lovely place. That was a very sweaty walk. We arrived here and check out the next video.
So we are now at the other side. Usually at this time, there are already a lot of people around this alley preparing for canyoneering tours to go to Basdiot. People here would would already prefer to dress up than having a breakfast because they will go to a diving tour or they're gonna go snorkeling. But look at this. There is nobody, just us so far. Like, believe me, if you've never been to Moalboal, maybe you can't really imagine, but I've been here like, I don't know, 100 times. Maybe that's a bit exaggerated, but I mean, like, really many times. There are times that I come here like 2 times in a month when I was working in Cebu. This is a backpacker place, I think, somewhere here. Maybe this is, oh no, this is a tattoo shop. But no, like lots of vans here park to pick up and drop off passengers, usually from the airport. So this is usually where they drop off their passengers. And when you go to that section right, that's already from the main road, Panagsama. City Qpass is also a big diving shop, and they are actually also present in Bohol. This place, Makan. Oh, I hope my friends are watching this. They serve one of the best sisig here in Moalboal, but they are of course closed. This is where you drop off from a trike ride. This is also, I think, a dive shop. Morning. Morning. Brenda, thank you. So this is main road, Panagsama. This is on the other side where veranda is. Look at this. Look at our shadow. My shadow, it's so tall. Another access to the beach. My gosh, almost nobody. So we will be going towards, I think Isla Bonita is a resort towards the end, but there's also another beach access towards the end. Where is Shaka is closed. Cebu Dive Center, they are open. June Dive Resort. Just a few locals here now. Dive Master course. Hello, can't even go open water. I'm not gonna go open. So almost everybody's done a snorkeling. Thank you. So I think this is kiss diving. Oops, you see, this is what I mean by if it rains and if it's not cemented. I think this is kiss diving. Yeah, this is kiss diving. We've stayed here also a few times when they were new. They're closed. I will pull up a picture for you guys to see. They have also kind of nice balcony towards the water. Oh my gosh, kiss diving is closed. So kiss diving, I think, is also kind of owned by Chinese. There are also nasty dogs inside. This is a big plumeria. Exercise. I can feel now my blood pumping. Imagine if you have a house here and it's a nice view to the beach. I have a feeling though, based on my snorkeling expeditions. Can't even swim, but expeditions. Well, snorkeling experiences here. Oops, let's not go on Mother Elena. The corals towards this side are a little bit more intact, but they don't really have sandy beaches. So it's just stone, quite a lot of stone, but it does not have that patch of beach, just like the other side. Russian. Is it a Russian flag? Cherepaka. Oh yeah, that's a Russian alphabet. So you see that you can have a thing because people in general have a concept of you know, belongingness, something in that sort. And so, oh, look at this. This is blue ternate. Blue ternate. Lots of blue ternate. Lots of pods. Lots of flowers. Flowers. Blue ternate. This is another blue ternate. This is what I told you. Like, if you plant one and then you get out of proportion, you see they got lots of buds even. Anyway, Mother Ellen already left me. So, where am I? I was just talking about belongingness. You see, I got distracted with nice plants. If you want to have a sense of belongingness, so that's the reason why some of the nationalities really put the flag in it. Maybe it kind of unwritten notion that, you know, there's a group of Koreans, a group of Russians, a group of Germans. The Germans are easy to identify here. I think I've stayed one of this resort. I think this one, it's called, oh my gosh, I forgot. I didn't have a good experience really. So here you can do paddle boarding. I think the rent is 100. Kayak. So this is not towards the other side. So the water is so calm today, but a few locals on the way. People are having the plans. There's a resort here called Isla Bonita. Everybody got their tiny little thing you can say in a garden. Oh, it's 1:30 here now. But we'll see. I think we need to jump off there. This is now the other side. So from Panagsama Road, you have an access directly to a fine white sand area here besides a Vedra. Oh, diba? Ta-da! And if you're lucky, you can even spot a turtle. This is also a very nice snorkeling place. Oh, so cool. Oh my gosh. I need to do another round of snorkeling. Look at this. Tut, tut, tut. I think now it's 8 in the morning. So clear. There, that portion is white.